Summer is in the air, guys. Wearing cap is you can see everywhere. Guess what we are unboxing right now? You get it right, dude. This is Summer Mish baseball cap, a casual beatable leather icon. This is unisex hip hop trucker cap, dude. Perfect if you love outdoor activities. Look, guys, it's super nice. It's and the fashion trend today. I see it as a great quality at affordable price. I get this item, guys, on AliExpress for only less than $1. See, guys, it's cheap but looks cool and excellent. For the quality, you really get what you paid for. The color is great. Plus, the material of this product is good quality. I noticed in this cap is super nice, guys. I feel it and I love it more. And I can say that it's super recommendable for those who love going outside. You can use this cap as sun protection. As I noticed, guys, for today's generation, truckers cap like it's so popular headwear style with its mesh bag for breathability. And the foam phone panel, what I like in this the most is it's one size fit. Most of it is adjustable strap, closure, and can be adjusted to fit in different head size. I also love and this cap, guys, is its canvas. It's a classic style, a flattened brim, and functional, fashionable. This cap's loyal, durable, yet soft materials. Its very breathable back provides the airflow to your scalp, so you will feel more comfortable while wearing it. This summer, and you head cap to hat. That's the best thing of this trucker cup. So guys, beat the heat this summer and try to order now. This trucker cup is available on AliExpress at super low price. Just check it out, guys, and try it.